To Italians, olive oil is far more than just an ingredient. It's a symbol of heritage, identity, and connection to the land. Rolling into Campania for a local olive oil tasting, I had only the vaguest idea what to expect. The locals spoke passionately about bitterness, fruitiness, and that distinctive throat-stinging sensation. Olive oil tasting begins by pouring a small amount into a glass. Colored glasses hide the oil's color to avoid visual bias, making sure tasters focus solely on aroma and flavor. You gently warm it in your hand, then inhale deeply to assess the aroma. Sip and swirl in your mouth to detect flavors, fruity, bitter, or peppery. Finally, evaluate its balance, complexity, and finish. Or in my case, bake it till you make it. A brief visit to the production plant. And they led us down into the wine cellar. Every corner here reveals a story. Dusty bottles, aged wine barrels, handcrafted ceramics, worn stone walls, all blended in quiet harmony. Upstairs, a team of Italian chefs moves with passion and precision, crafting each dish, turning simple ingredients into an authentic Italian culinary artistry. Much of what we tasted earlier is used here in the kitchen. Olive oil is essential in Italian cooking. It brings out flavors, adds depth, and finishes dishes with a silky touch. It's the soul of many Italian recipes. I wouldn't be shocked even if the sumptuous dessert had a hint of extra virgin olive oil tucked in there.